So here we go. Hindi siya mabuksan. Kaya need natin ng cutting tools. Sana naman walang damage. So, kasi tingnan na naman. Yung packaging. Hindi siya gaano sealed. See, kung meron siyang maliit, basta malaki. Ayan. Yung gasket, yung cover. Yung gasket, yung cover nito maliit. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ganito yung kanyang isbra. Diyan. Diyan. Itong pang, ano niya, pang push kapag gumagawa na tayo ng shake. Tapos ito na kanya handa ka talaga. So ito yung cover dun sa malaki. Ito naman yung kanyang lagayan dito. So, dyan. Tapos ito. Siya. Tapos ito yung gasket niya. Okay lang eh. Ito is ayan. Ito gasket. Ito para dito. So, ganyan. Ganyan pagka siya. Try natin ng ganito yung kanyang posisyon. Para hindi. Ganun naman talaga siya. Ayan. So, dyan. Saya siya. Tapos yung levels na naman dito, on, off, at saka on. Ayan. Bakit tayo? And of course, babasahin natin yung kanyang manual. Kasi ganun is malaman natin kaya magkaroon tayo ng idea. Yung kanyang manual. Okay, this one, instant turning, return switch max power. So functions or features: efficient and powerful industrial high-speed motor, double automatically protective electric circuit, thermal current protector, stainless steel blade, high quality food grade jug, and rubber cap. Then the blender is equipped with an industrial grade motor with a rotary speed of up to 45,000 RPM. Dry or wet produce can be quickly and efficiently blended while retaining its original nutritional value and flavor. This is a professional high-speed blender for business or home use. Ensure that the container is securely placed in the motorized base before using the blender. Hold the container before starting as the motor is powerful. Also ensure that the clutch is placed. Do not place your fingers inside the jug at any time, whether on or off the base, due to the sharpness of the blade. Remove the jug from the base before pouring blended produce. Then be sure not to touch the switch when the machine has started. Safeguards: then unplug from wall when blender is not in use. The cover can only be opened when the blade has completely stopped rotating. When cleaning, ensure that you unplug the appliance. The jug can be washed separately. Do not submerge the motorized blender base in water or place in the dishwasher. When in use, keep children away to prevent accidents. Maintenance tips: when cleaning or maintaining, unplug appliance and ensure main switch is turned to off position. Clean the blender body and the cover with a sponge or cloth. Do not clean inside the jug by hand unless the blade is already removed. Clean the rotary shaft and the motor with a dry rag. If required, use clean cloth with a mild pH detergent to clean. And then, so that's all. It's a pose set. So that's it, guys. So that's the item that I bought online, and I hope it works. So we'll try it later. Okay. So thank you so much for the seller to send me the product. Stay tuned.